About 3 days ago, Google announced Pixel 9 series with some major changes. In this video, I will talk about important changes and features that Google decided to show us in Pixel 9 series. First of all, now we can see X large model of Pixel phone lineup after 5 years. Second biggest change that I can see in Pixel 9 series is all models, even base model Pixel 9, got ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is a thing that we only saw in Samsung flagship smartphones. Also, Pixel 9 series now have 700 nits brighter screen compared to the Pixel 8 series. Third biggest upgrade is cameras of Pixel 9 series. Firstly, we can see the new island camera design in the Pixel 9 series. Actually, this time Google decided to separate cameras from middle corners, like North America got separated from Pangea. Also, Super Res Zoom now available in video mode on Pixel 9 Pro series. I started loving these alien-like phones because you'll get satellite SOS messaging feature on all Pixel 9 series phones from launch date and free for 2 years. Shame on you, Apple, you should learn something from Google. I can barely say the PowerPoint of Pixel 9 series, despite the beautiful alien-like design, it's actually AI. You'll get lots of AI features like summarizing phone calls and finding them with Gemini. Also, I forgot to mention, Google has announced new feature in Pixel 9 series and it's called Add Me feature. With this feature, you can easily take group photos without seeing any of your friends and co-workers. The other big upgrade is actually happened to Gemini. Google added new feature to Gemini and it's called Gemini Live, which is a Google version of ChatGPT 4o, and you will get this feature for 1 year free if you buy one of Pixel phone from Pixel 9 Pro series. Other amazing feature that Google added to Gemini is on-screen awareness like Apple Intelligence, and believe me, it will help you a lot when you're doing your daily tasks. With this feature, you can get recipe of food, how to cook it properly, and the ingredients of this food from one screenshot, and you can do other things like searching screenshots on your gallery and etc. But this year, Google has decided to launch Pixel 9 series with Android 14 instead of 15 with 7 years of software and security patch updates, which is unbelievable and good. The unbelievable part is why Google decided to launch these phones with Android 14 instead of 15. Can you write down in the comments and tell me why Google decided to do this? The best part is you will get 7 years of software and security patch updates. The best phone in my opinion is Pixel 9 Fold because this phone got really changed since Pixel Fold, and you will get 2 screens with peak brightness of 2700 nits with improved hinge with gorgeous design. So guys, I mentioned all the Pixel 9 series phones in Google Event 2024 with new and important features, and if you have any opinion about these phones, write down in the comments and tell me, will you get one of those beautiful ass Pixel 9 series phones? And also, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. See you later, bye.